This is not the first time we Wike bulldozer go back without doing any job. This is not the first time the bulldozer come and do work, he go back without doing that job. Wait, so we can't even prepare come. He prepare with the bulldozer to come and bulldozer everywhere. To come and scatter, as in he was prepared for, let's go and scatter. He don't get that people. So he was ready. Wait till he even come on that. Bulldozer everywhere. As he come, he can't see what he pass bulldozer. Now why we can be disappointed because he don't look in bulldozer. Wait till I go tell these people which excuse. He make call, don't get us people call. Say this bulldozer I cannot afford. We can see Kaki now as blood of the lamb. When bulldozer see Kaki, he will jump over. But tell us, don't touch this particular structure. It belongs to army. Then the first time, this is the first time where Wike bulldozer go come out make it doing job. The job was not done. See as people they people even shock. See as people they hail them, they talk say, hey, we don't go back to your place. You want to come and destroy army officer property.
LCD don't carry their truck go. Shame on you. Wike don't go with the truck. Soldier win this fight too. FCD. Only one he locks of soldier.
Every time they go, they're supposed to give order, say, may they destroy.
May they destroy. FCD don't pack their truck. Wike don't go. You want to collect soldier land?
You know why? People when they die for their land, they die for this land. Now you won't collect out from them. Very insults now. Very insults. Now these people they die for this land. You better be what happen now.
I'm telling you, Wike don't carry.
You know, people actually, people are, to show you, say, people are tired. People don't tire for that kind of act. It be like, don't they happen? People come, they shout, say, people when they fight for the country, they give their life. Now they won't collect their land just like that. You know, see, as people, they hail, people just, they hail. As the bulldozer come, they go back. Because he say, man, don't be waiting, they talk. We can face the bulldozer go. From back. Nobody know where he take go. Then they say, I cannot allow this. I will not allow this. He can't do like say, he's still there around. Before you know it, he disappeared. Like the office, call the bulldozer. Well, come back, come back. We'll do it next time. Which next time? You don't be say you don't. One bulldozer soldier. So you only be just ordinary soldier, naval officer. Those way they fresh. They going to punish you, they smile. Mamma mia.
So let me say, I request to so there's no such thing as a cover by I'm sorry.
Show me the document you have. You have no document.
I have documents.
Bring the document.
I have documents.
and everything has
Excuse me. I'm the minister. You cannot tell me. You cannot tell me that. We cannot continue to add in this impurity. Where the approval even to keep. You cannot continue this way. This country cannot continue along this line. How can that man at his level, even if he has a problem, he cannot reach me and say, look, I'm sorry. See what I have. You will send soldiers to intimidate who? We are all from this country. And this is government. You cannot be higher than any government. You cannot be carrying guns to intimidate people to not to do their work. Let me tell you, if not God was the first staff who spoke to me here, you could have killed everybody here. No problem. I'm not one of those that they can intimidate.
On the contrary,
I'm doing my job.
We are not intimidating anybody.
That's what you're doing.
The civilian, the engineer mobilized to site, and then staff or workers of SCDA look at it.
No, listen now.
That is the threatening them. And that was when the admiral gave the order.
He cannot give order against government.
Because the papers are complete and he said it's submitted.
Are you the one? Listen, you know the problem you have. Are you the one that will say paper? What will show me that you are first of all, show me that government gave you this place. Show me that you have an approval to build what you are building. It has nothing to do with I'm a vice admiral, I'm a lieutenant general. That is nothing. We must work according to law. We must work according to law.
We forwarded everything to you.
And
Yes,
to you.
No, you don't tell like this. Don't tell like this. Don't you try this. Don't tell me like this. Don't tell me this. You're fine. Don't tell me I'm lying. Fine. Don't interrupt me. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
I am a small boy, but the commission of finance can never very just to come and convince civilians. How do I get him? How do I get him? This is not professional. This is not professional. You can't be getting a military for this thing.